I'm here to show you the best way that we have found to make hard-boiled eggs. Grab your pressure cooker, add some water, place your rack at the bottom, and arrange your eggs. Put the lid on, make sure the pressure is secure, and set it for beans, lentils for 5 minutes. Once the timer goes off, do the quick pressure release. Remove the lid, and then you're gonna put each egg into your ice water bath using tongs, but as you move it from the pressure cooker to the bath, go ahead and crack the bottom on the side so that you allow the water to get under the shell. When you're peeling, just make sure you get under that membrane, and that's gonna allow it to get that shell off in a few pieces, or even one whole piece. Have an excellent day. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and help us spread the word. We appreciate you guys. Have a healthy day.